Hello students, good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you are fine. Now today we learn question answer our school. In conversation, what is the name of your school? Duaba Public School is the name of our school. Who is the chairman of your school? Sardar Marinder Singh Chotepur is our chairman. Who is the principal of your school? Mrs. Barinder Kaur is our principal. How many teachers are there in your school? There are 92 teachers in our school. Learn these question answers properly. Have a good day. Thank you.